My name is James Suselo.
James Suselo. What are you doing, James?
Pretty
What-
much, this is what we call the EDC.
What is that
Carry
EDC?
stuff.
Carry
All
stuff.
the things you need to as a
Survive. No, I mean,
individual.
why do you have to carry that in the middle of baking supply store?
Because we will never know what happened.
Oh, gitu ya. Oh,
Yeah,
like
daily,
that.
in life.
Okay, now tell me, what is that?
This is a Medipack. we call it.
Medipack.
Or
Oh, it
I
has
call it
scissor.
scissors.
Uh-huh.
This is to for emergency use to open your your clothing.
I see.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, if people get heart stroke or heart attack, yeah.
Pretty much, yeah. Tapi,
Uh-huh.
it's mainly for like any accidents.
Wow, look at that. I even
Yeah.
teacher, I didn't even bring first aid kit, man.
You need this.
Only when on duty. No, not on duty, man.
You need all
Look,
of these.
look, tell me. Okay,
Bandage.
this is
Gloves.
Glove, okay.
Apa namanya?
Yeah,
Latex
glove.
glove. Yeah.
Latex, okay.
Latex glove also.
Uh-huh.
Bandage. Ya
Uh-huh.
kan? Terus this is a blood clogger.
blood
Like
clogger.
Yeah. Say,
What?
suppose you have a
Heart
hole,
attack.
hole in your chest or somewhere.
What?
You use this to stop the bleeding. Yeah.
Okay.
So you just open this and you just press into your wounds, right?
Uh-huh.
And then
Blood
clot.
clog.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, quick clot.
Quick clot.
Namanya.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
And then
some other bandage, also bandage. All of bandage is in.
oh,
This is
okay.
just for
This is what?
This is a natrium chloride.
Natrium chlorida.
Yeah.
What is that for?
Yeah. This is
To clean.
To clean.
Oh, alcohol, like alcohol, yeah.
Pretty much it works like an alcohol. Tapi
I
this
see.
is to clean your wounds. If
I
you
see.
need it to.
I see.
So,
Okay. This
yeah.
is called Medipack again.
Yeah, this is called Medipack, or I
Mm-hmm.
should say this is trauma pack.
Trauma pack.
Yeah, because this is the
Because you
first-
don't want it again in your lifetime, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
First
so
responder.
one. Okay, now here we
Well,
go.
you need to be carried, especially.
What
if
is
you're
this? Sanitizer.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is just sanitizer
During COVID.
during
Okay.
COVID pandemic.
Oh, this is the brand. Do you have any specific brand in common? Swiss Army bag.
Pretty much. This is actually
Another.
This is a multi tool.
What?
Yeah, charger,
God.
cables.
Why do you have to bring that?
I don't know. Just be prepared.
This is for what?
This is to patch something if if you have a broken bag or something, this is the patch. Right?
Okay.
This is cable ties.
Uh-huh.
Anything you need like a multi
Okay.
gitu ceritanya.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this? Oh,
This
ini
is just-
charger.
yeah, charger.
And this?
This is also charger.
Okay.
This all
And this is
all the
your
medicines.
personal
Yeah,
medicine.
Personal medicines, tolak angin,
Oh.
Indonesian made. Panadol.
Okay.
And this is apa?
Revagan.
I don't know what this is. I think
Coba
this
cek expired or not.
Oh, Ponstan.
Oh, Ponstan.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. So you bring this every day?
Yeah.
Every day?
Every day.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. Oh my god, you ready for hiking ya?
Oh, yeah, you can use this.
Ini
for-
hiking kok
yeah.
tipis banget, emergency blanket.
This is trauma blanket.
Trauma blanket.
Yeah, suppose kamu you have an accident and then you're losing a lot of blood and then your body goes into trauma.
Oh, I
giving
see.
you shivering. You
Okay.
need this.
Okay. Okay.
And mask.
Mask,
And
okay.
then mask.
Another mask.
Another apa nih?
Battery.
Another Panadol.
Another Panadol.
Right.
Okay, wow. Look at this.
And apa ini? Here is hats, just regular hats.
Okay.
And apa nih? Glasses.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Extra
What is?
max.
What? What is that again?
Bullet 9mm.
Bullet. What bullet is that for? To kill bird or something?
No, this is
Or dog? Maybe cat? No, mouse.
no. We don't kill animals. No.
Oh, so what do you kill that?
Uh,
What do you kill?
We don't use the term kill. We
Okay,
use
the exterminate.
term,
Terminate.
This is just for self-defense.
Oh, self-defense.
Extra
Okay.
magazine for self-defense.
Extra magazine.
Yeah, for let's say there's an intruder or some bad guys in this world.
So must be you got a real weapon then.
Yes, I do.
Oh really? Okay. So what is
Second
the
Amendment.
difference this
Woohoo.
and this and this?
The
Okay.
difference?
Mhm.
They did the same thing.
Oh, it's the
Anyways,
same.
Yeah.
This is fat. Look.
Yeah,
See?
this is the small caliber bullet. This is the smaller version of this one.
I
But
see.
I don't really use this anymore. It's just
Okay.
here just here for just for the show, or
Okay.
if I feel like bringing it.
Wow. Okay, you share that one. Okay, and
So-
this inside nothing.
This is nothing.
Okay.
And when you go.
Okay,
to
now this is the one that we are looking for.
Well,
Ladies and gentlemen.
no, I don't have guns in here.
Okay.
So
This is just your personal.
This is personal. This is
Okay.
battery. Wait. Oh yeah. Extra.
Okay, next.
Extra phone.
Extra phone?
Yeah.
Wow.
Always have an extra phone.
Why?
In case your main phone gone. You
Your
still
what?
have Your daily phone. Your
Uh-huh.
main phone gone. Let's say
Uh-huh.
you drop it somewhere. Yeah,
Okay.
And in case you
Okay.
in case you lost. your phone.
Okay.
So you need to have.
Is this just a regular pen?
This is a tactical pen.
What is
See,
that for?
You can break glass with this, or you can actually
I can
use it
kill
just
my friend.
as a weapon for assailant. Let's say there's a bad guy, and then you just
Oh,
pick this
okay.
up, and then
Wow, look at that.
and so
This is just regular Sharpie and
regular Sharpie,
2B pencil.
pencils. Always carry pencils.
Uh-huh. Do you have eraser too?
No.
Oh, I thought I carry eraser because I'm a teacher.
Oh, yeah. we just go one time and that's it. No
Okay,
erasing.
okay. Water bottle, look at
Yeah,
that. That's
water
special water bottle. Why is empty?
Because there are aquas, mineral water everywhere. So we
Oh,
don't need this for a while.
okay.
Maybe later.
Oh, I see. When you're camping, okay.
And also, this is just banking stuff.
Banking, okay. That's your personal.
Yeah,
Okay.
personal finance stuff.
And this is a Swiss Army.
No, this is house key actually.
Oh, house key. It looks like a very high tech scissor, all bunch of
Yeah.
like
Just
to
house keys, yeah.
Okay.
Just a bunch of house keys.
Wow,
and,
look at that.
And pretty much, I think sudah kayaknya sih. Batteries.
Batteries.
Yeah.
What batteries?
Extra batteries, just regular
Wow.
batteries.
And this?
Cable ties.
Cable ties. Oh ya, tuh like kalau ada bad guy terus tangannya diikat gitu kayak handcuff gitu ya.
No, not really. This is just for multi-purpose.
Multi-purpose.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh
Those
wow,
are
look
special
at that.
handcuffs, by the way.
Okay. We cannot buy that, right?
Yeah. And that's it. And
And-
also,
Your thingy, let me see.
yeah, this
Wow!
A knife and-
Okay, look at that, look at that.
knife and flashlight.
Oh, no
Always.
gun?
There is.
Wow! Look at that! Whoa! Let me
There
see.
is gun.
Okay, show me.
So
Whoa!
this is 9mm Glock.
Okay, what is the name of the gun?
Glock 19.
Golf?
Glock 19.
Glock. G-L-O-C-K.
Yeah, GLOCK.
Okay.
3G sights and flashlight.
Oh, flashlight.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow! Look.
Always carry this as a as
Okay, now can you make an action like how to shoot?
No.
Not in front of the kids. Okay. No, that's only to shoot the bad guy, right?
Yeah,
If
this
there is
is-
an intruder.
We don't want to shoot people.
So we defend people.
Pretty much we use guns as a last resort. So
I
we don't
see.
use it.
We use teaser.
We basically if we come into a confrontation with people. First thing we gotta do is just to avoid, run, or just avoid, just get out.
Okay.
Or hide.
Because or hide, or whatever you like, just to
Or
avoid
summon
the
a demon.
confrontation.
I see.
After that, if your life is really in great danger, seek another alternative, whether you can still run or go to the police or ask someone for help.
I see.
Or to
If-
nearest station.
If all steps, it's already
Or,
been done and
uh-huh,
still
cannot-
your life in danger, then you have to use the gun.
What
I
happened?
see.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you don't use guns to shoot randomly people because you have a great responsibility. Once you hold a gun, you have greater responsibility than other people.
Okay.
So that's
The thing in Indonesia is not common to use gun, right? But in
Yeah.
US, people can have gun, right?
Yeah.
What do you think about the difference?
The difference here, people can also obtain guns in Indonesia. They
Oh,
have a
really?
special license and they can bring a gun.
Oh,
Carry
but
concealed
I
weapons.
think it's more freely in the US to have gun, yeah?
Yes, of course. So I would have to agree that there should be a regulations towards the
Yes,
carry
yes,
concealed
yes.
people in the United States. But then again, we, as a Second Amendment, as a second amendment supporter.
For US, right?
Yeah,
US.
for the US.
To get that.
Yeah.
I see.
We need. I think people in the US should have more training how to use guns and the
Yeah.
philosophy.
Now
behind it.
actually you are just give
Yeah.
American a lesson
Oh,
about
yes,
this.
Yes, yes. I will have to give an American lesson because you can't just buy guns and without any training. You have
I
to
see.
train.
I
You have
see.
to like spend like 80, maybe 100 hours to train.
Oh.
And change your mindset about bringing a gun.
Yeah.
Because that's a very great responsibility.
Okay. Thank you so much for your lesson
Very
today,
welcome.
Mr. Who?
Mr. Suselo.
Mr.
Jimmy.
Suselo, Mr. Jimmy Suselo.
Very
There will
welcome.
be
My
part.
pleasure.
This is 101. By the way, there's gonna be 201 coming soon.
Go to the shooting range.
Yeah, go
That
to
will
the
be
shooting
fun.
range. And how to contact you, I will put the email link below. Thank you.